Hi, my name is Suman Hinkaife, and I will now be demonstrating my code. So I've contributed towards the attendance part of my code, so I will now be demonstrating the attendance. As you can see, the names of all the students are here, and the last updated one is Javan. If we run our code and go to mark attendance and fill up the information, and for this case, I'll be using present. You can see that our attendance has been marked successfully. And if we reopen the file to refresh the information, in the new file, it has been updated with the exact time that I'm present, the class, my name, and as well as the student ID. So for now, I'll be talking about the slides. And so the purpose and objective, I feel like is very important from this project, is that it allows us to learn about efficient attendance tracking, dynamic timetable management, and assignment submission tracking. This assignment provides us an opportunity to hone our problem-solving abilities, and we also get to develop proficiency in the Python programming language itself, as this project allows us to freely explore, learn, and use various techniques, which gives us, as students, a better learning experience. So these are the programming techniques that I've used in my section of the code: input-output handling, error handling, and looping constructs. So I'll be talking about those three. For input-output handling, you can see an example of when I've used it in the code from the first two lines of the slide. And I chose to use it because it's the easiest way to present information and receive messages from the user. Next, we have error handling, where it is used to manage potential exceptions, such as when user or students, in this case, try to enter an invalid input when it's not the input we're looking for or what the school management system usually accepts. It will be caught by the accept block as shown below. The picture below is a code from our actual program. And lastly, we have the looping constructs, where it basically handles user input until the user decides to exit. So for this system, we decided to use the while loop to ensure that the loop continues as long as the user wants to repeat the process. And again, you can see from the picture below, it's the code that we took out from our actual program. So finally, we have the troubleshooting part of our project. Now, since it's a group project and we have delegated tasks to everybody, we're coding in different computers and different laptops in our own private laptops. It makes our codes a little different and more prone to error when combined together into one big final file at the end. So with teamwork and group work together, we have decided to debug the code and successfully managed to debug the code. So next, I also learned a lot about try and accept blocks, because through internet resources like YouTube, I've managed to learn how to use it correctly by watching how others use it. And so that will be it for my presentation. Thank you.